your clients, your stakeholders. The world is constantly changing. If they can't get what they want from you, if they don't enjoy the experience, if there's something that's difficult about dealing with you, they'll just go somewhere else. But you can fix all of that. You can plug that hole really easily. And that's what innovation is all about. It's about looking ahead. It's about taking your business apart and rebuilding it. It's about asking what tomorrow might look like. My name's Morris Mizalowski, and for the last 30 years around the globe with clients of all sizes, I've done exactly that. And I've crammed all of that now into an incredible innovation futurist hack program. It's a 4-month program where I share with you 26 videos step by step, where we get together on a fortnightly basis over the 4 months, where you enjoy a virtual seat at the table to our monthly Genius Innovation Mastermind, and you get a deck of 52 inspirational foresight cards, plus so much more. I'm passionate about this program, and I want to share it with you. For your chance to be involved in this program, check out the details below and enter for your opportunity for us to be able to look at your business and to innovate it together.